Pai Skincare's Camellia and Rose Gentle Hydrating Cleanser easily removes dirt, makeup and other impurities that build up on your skin throughout the day. Suitable for all skin types, including allergy-prone skin, the Pai cleansing system is gentle but effective. Unlike detergent or alcohol-based cleansers, it won't dry out or irritate your skin, bursting with omega-3 and vitamins A, B, C and E. This cleanser works to hydrate your skin, leaving it soft and supple. Includes Pai's unique dual-effect sensitive skin cloth, combining an exfoliating muslin and cleansing flannel. The cloth lifts away dead skin cells to leave a smooth and fresh complexion. Camellia green tea. This rare oil has been used in Japan for centuries as a skin cleanser and conditioner. Packed full of omega-3 and vitamins A, B, C and E, it is the ultimate skin tonic. Rose Otto helps skin to retain moisture. Its rejuvenating and restorative properties leave skin beautifully toned and hydrated. Pai understands sensitive skin. Their award-winning, certified organic range is expertly formulated to suit all skin prone to irritation, whether it be dry or oily, youthful or mature. Sensitive skin is delicate skin and requires the purest ingredients, packed full of high-performance moisturizing actives to restore it to its natural radiance. Their commitment to product purity means they never use paraffin oil, alcohol, denat, parabens, phenoxyethanol, sodium hydroxymethylglycinate or other skin irritants. Hydrating Cream Cleanser formulated for sensitive skin. Dual action makeup remover, suitable for removing eye makeup, packed full of omega-3 and vitamins A, B, C and E to nourish skin as it cleanses. Detergent and alcohol-free. Certified organic by the Soil Association. Unique dual effect muslin cloth and flannel included for exfoliation. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.